control set for ice and snow melting terneo sneg with sensor wall. Usually, the sensor is installed in the gutters for cleaning the roof from snow and ice. It also prevents the formation of dangerous icicles. It is desirable for the sensor to be located in a place with the highest probability of accumulation of ice and snow. On the outside of the box, in addition to the image of the thermostat, we see a factory sticker with basic technical information. We unpack the box. The set includes a thermostat, an air temperature sensor, a precipitation sensor, and instructions for installation and operation. All terneo thermostats are covered by a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase. Therefore, when purchasing a thermostat, pay attention to the completed warranty card. The air temperature sensor is 4 meters long. If necessary, the sensor cable can be extended up to 20 meters. To melt the snow and avoid the formation of an ice crust on the surface of sensitive contacts, internal heating is provided. The length of connecting wire of sensor is 10 meters. If necessary, the sensor cable can be extended up to 40 meters. The body of the thermostat is made of non-flammable polycarbonate and has overheating protection. The thermostat is installed in the electrical panel and occupies 3 modules. Above and below is the connection diagram. The maximum load power of terneo sneg is up to 3 kilowatts. On the terneo screen we see 3 indicators: air sensor temperature, resistance and the context of the moisture sensor temperature. To flexibly adjust the thermostat to environmental conditions, you can choose your resistance level at which the load will turn on. The thermostat is provided with protection against excessively long work without human supervision. By default, the heating will turn off after 36 hours of continuous operation. That's why terneo sneg ensures efficient and economical operation of the snow melting system. The heating cable will be turned on only after the thermostat is sure of the presence of precipitation such as snow or ice. And it will not turn on the heating when it is dry outside and there is no precipitation. Consume wisely. Terneo Intelligent Heat Management.